In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an error that you might be getting when trying to install an app that says, "Your device isn't compatible with this version of Android." To fix this issue, the first thing we need to do is open the settings on our Android phone. We can do that by swiping up from the bottom, scrolling to the bottom, and finding Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select System. Then, once you're in System, scroll down and select Software Updates. If you have more options like me, select System Update and make sure it checks for an update. If there is an update available, go ahead and install it. Open Settings on your Android phone again. Near the top, you'll see Apps. Select All Apps and scroll down to find the Google Play Store. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Uninstall Updates. Confirm that you want to replace the app with the factory version by selecting OK. The Google Play Store will be uninstalled and then reinstalled. Check if this fixes your issue. If this doesn't work, go back to Settings and select Apps again. Go to All Apps and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Show System. Scroll down until you find Google Play Services. It should be above the Google Play Store. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Uninstall Updates and confirm. Now, go back and try to install the app again. You should no longer see the "Your device isn't compatible with this version" error.